Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create LearnWorld's user on Typeform submission. So let's suppose I am running an online education platform and I am receiving all my registration for the course with the help of Typeform. Now I want that whenever there is a new form submission, a user should be automatically created in my LearnWorld's account. Now doing this manually will be a very time consuming task, so I am completely going to automate this process, and to do this automation I am going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between Typeform and LearnWorlds. With the help of Pabbly Connect, I am going to build this connection in such a way that whenever I will receive new form submission in my Typeform, a user will be automatically created in my LearnWorlds account. Now if you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, then let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to see how to create LearnWorld's user on Typeform submission. For this, I have created an automation workflow with the help of Pabbly Connect, where I have built connection between Typeform and LearnWorlds, and now we are going to check this automation workflow once. For that, we are going to open a form in Typeform, and then after the form submission, if the user is created in my LearnWorlds, this means this automation workflow is working fine. So here this is my LearnWorlds account, and I am going to open my form in Typeform and do a form submission, and I am going to fill some dummy details in all the fields. So let's say my first name is latest, my last name is user, my phone number is this, and my email address is latest432@pabblytudes.com. Now I am going to click on the submit. And as I have submitted this form, a user should be created in my LearnWorlds account. So I am going to refresh this page once. And here we can see we have instantly created this latest user. The name was latest user and the email address was latest432@pabblytudes.com. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and now to learn how to create this, let's start creating this from the beginning. In this video, we are going to learn how to create LearnWorld's user on Typeform submission. For this, we are going to create automation between Typeform and LearnWorlds with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect/inr/ in your browser. Now after browsing the website, we need to sign in to our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in, and if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I have to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now, and it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. Now if you want to create a new folder, you simply have to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow button, and first I need to provide the workflow name, and then I have to select the folder in which I want to save that workflow. So first let's name this workflow as how to create LearnWorld's user on Typeform submission, and now I need to select my folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I am going to select this forms automation and then click on create. Now here, as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, and action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to create LearnWorld's user on Typeform submission, which means whenever there will be Typeform submission, a user will be created in my LearnWorld's account, which means whenever there will be Typeform submission, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger says when this happens. So when form submission in Typeform happens and an action says do this, create user in LearnWorlds. So then in my trigger application, I am going to take Typeform, and then in my trigger event, I am going to take this new entry. Now I am going to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection and then click on this connect with Typeform. Over here I have already logged in my Typeform account, and I just need to grant away some permissions, for which I am going to click on this accept because my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, and here authorization successful. So Typeform is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I need to enter the form. So in this drop down I can find all the forms that are there in my Typeform, and now I need to select the form which I'll be using. So I'll be using this customer contact form. Let me take you to my Typeform account. So this is my Typeform account, and these are the forms that have been created. As we are using this customer contact form, let's open this. So it has all these fields on the left hand side where you can see first name, last name, phone number, email, and the name of this form is customer contact form. So here I have taken my form as customer contact form, and after choosing my form I have to click on the save and send test request. Now we can see that it has changed to waiting for the response, and under this it is written, once you have clicked over save and send test request button, then do a test submission in that application in order to capture the response here. Now this means, so as to get the response over here in this workflow, I need to do a test submission in this particular form, customer contact form, and after the form submission, if I receive the response here in this workflow, this means the connection setup that we have created between Typeform and Pabbly Connect, that is successful. So here I am going to open this customer contact form, and I am going to fill some dummy details in all these fields. So let's say the first name is new, last name is user, phone number is this, and the email address is new123@pabblytudes.com. Now I'm going to click on this submit, and here I have done the form submission. Now all these details should be captured in my workflow. So let's open my workflow. And if I scroll down, I can see that I have received the response after waiting for few seconds. The first name that we entered was new, last name was user, phone number was this, and the email address was new123@pabblytudes.com. Now as soon as I have done the form submission, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this means the connection setup that we have created between Pabbly Connect and Typeform, that is successful. And now whenever there will be form submission in this particular form, I'll start receiving the response here in this workflow. Now moving on to the next step, whenever there is a form submission in Typeform, I want to create user in my Learn Worlds. So then in my action application, I'm going to take Learn Worlds, and then in my action event, I want to take this create user. Now I'm going to click on this connect. So if you have an existing connection, click on the save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection. And now to make this connection, we have to enter all of these details. So to get this, I need to open my Learn Worlds account. So here this is my Learn Worlds account, and on the bottom I can see this option of settings. I'll click on this and then go to developers. Now over here I am provided with all of the details, client ID, client secret, and the API URL. So I'm going to copy and paste all of these details in my Pabbly Connect field. And then after entering all these details, I am going to click on this save. So here Learn Worlds is connected with Pabbly Connect, and I have to enter all these details. So the first one is that I need to enter the email address. And I am not going to enter this manually. Instead, I am going to use a method called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. Now when I click on this email, I can see this Typeform, and when I click on this, I can see all the response that I have received from there. Now as I need to enter the email address, so the email address was new123@pabblytudes.com, and the username was new user, so I'll enter that and put space between these two. Now in the password, I want the user to create this, so I'm going to leave this blank, and then in the subscribed for marketing emails, I want to select this as false. Then should sign up validation rules be applied, I want to select this as false, and is admin, I want to select this as false. Now I have not received response for any of these fields, tags, FC term, LC term, and all the other fields, so I am going to leave this blank, and as this is not a required field, but if you have received the response, you can enter following the same process of mapping. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static, and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I simply have to scroll down and then click on the save and send test request. And here I can see that I have received the response, and this response is a positive one. I have received the ID of the user, and now I am going to open my LearnWorlds account and check whether this user has been created there or not. So this is my LearnWorlds account, and on the left hand side where I can see all these options, here I am going to click on this users. And then on the top I can see that I have created this new user. The email address was new123@pablitudes.com. So now to summarize, we took Typeform as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the form and done the form submission, received that form submission response here in this workflow. Then we wanted to create the LearnWorlds user after the form submission has been done. So we took LearnWorlds as our action application, made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered all the details with the help of a method called mapping, clicked on the save and send test request button and received the response as these users been created in my LearnWorlds account automatically and instantly. So this is how this automation workflow will run, and here we have successfully created automation between Typeform and LearnWorlds with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.